Hey, what's up guys? Rob the Jeweler here. Today we're going to be working on a necklace that it's a lobster claw clasp, and we're going to see if we can salvage this one. You can see it's cracked up near the top. You can see where there's a hairline crack right there on the right side. There's also one on the opposite side. We're going to see if we can get that welded and maybe salvage this clasp without having to replace it, if we can. We're going to try anyways. So what we're going to do is first we're going to unhook it, and we're going to try to make that crack on each side, try to make it even, match, so that they're together as close as possible if we can. And try. Okay. And hopefully all goes well here. We're going to lay this out here. Let's do it this way. Alrighty. And we need to do both sides for sure. Alright. Lay that out like that. And we're not going to need a very big piece of solder. So, not going to need a whole lot there. Hold on just a second, I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. I'm sorry guys. Had to get some more denatured alcohol boric acid mixture. I didn't realize I was running pretty low there. We're going to put a little bit on here. And we're going to be using a 4 tip for this. You can use a 3 as well. 3's not really going to hurt. Sometimes my torch likes to be a little weird for whatever reason. Okay. Come on. Quit being so stubborn. There we go. Light this bad boy up. You'll see it kind of burn off. Now I had somebody say in another video when I was working on a ring, dip the whole ring in, which I do when I'm doing like ring sizings and stuff. But when I'm doing tips on prongs, I don't really find it overly necessary, really. But that's just me. Everybody's gonna have their own little different ways of doing things and how they feel about them. So this is just a general, you know, that's like a lot of the tools that I'm using. You might use a different tool, you know, but there's many different tools that can kind of get the same thing. Every jeweler does something a little bit different. I've never met a jeweler where each jeweler does exactly the same thing. Each one's got their own little different way of doing things. What matters basically is that the end result looks the same. That's all that really matters. Yeah, we're going to put us a little bit of flux on here. And we just need a tiny piece of solder. We don't need a very big piece. This is a pretty small clasp, so we're going to try to see if we can salvage this. I'm hoping we can. Kind of a 50-50 because these lobster calls do have a spring in them. You get them too hot, it messes the spring up. But sometimes I'm able to get them to work in and out just real fast. Object is you don't want to get the spring inside too hot. If it gets too hot, then the clasp is done. I'm hoping we can make this work. Got one side on. Now let's see if we can have the same luck with the other side here. I'm going to add a little more flux to this side. Just for GP. And I had an extra piece already cut here. I didn't realize I had sitting here, so we're going to use that. Alright, let's hope and pray. We got both sides welded. Come on, get up there. Let's see what we got. Looks good on that side. Need to weld this one side a little bit more. Kind of missed the spot actually. But that's okay, nothing major. Cut us another little piece off here. Start our torch back up. I thought we might actually be done with it, but not quite. Let's see, where is my piece? There it is. Light this bad boy up with some denatured alcohol too. If you're wondering what that noise is in the background, that's my steamer. Unfortunately, it's, I don't know, trying to kick the bucket on me possibly, but it's still working for now. Alright, let's see what we got now. Alright, we got it welded. I'm going to pause the video real quick and go clean this. Just to see, because right now it's a little too dirty for me to tell. Nothing too crazy, but maybe I'll just smooth it out here real quick. Alright, let me go clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna pause real quick, clean it real fast, and take a look at it. We'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Looks like this is working pretty well, so what we're gonna do is the top of the clasp has got a gap. Since it was cracked, it was pulled upward, so the other ink is sliding in and out, so we're gonna try to meet that flush with some regular pliers here. Like so. Okay, I think that's gonna work. Alright guys, I'm gonna go clean this up a little more. We got it together now. We got the two cracks on the sides welded. And we got it meet and flush, so there's no gap where the other end can slide in and out. So I'm going to go polish this thing up, and we'll take a look at it, see what it looks like when it's all clean and finished. Alright guys, we're back with that necklace. As you can see, we got it all cleaned and polished, looking beautiful. We managed to save this clasp, so that definitely will help the customer for sure, because these optical clasps are not cheap for whatever reason. We managed to salvage this one. If you would like and subscribe, comment. If you'd like to help the channel grow, help donate to the channel, the links will be in the description. And this is Rob the Jeweler. I'll see you on the next one.